Well, to be fair, according to a copy of the notice that CNBC TV 18 has reviewed, the government is now looking at reopening accounts for an audit that the government wants to do for the first year, that is the rollout year of GST, that is FY 17-18. Remember, we are already more than 2.5 years down the line, and now going back to accounts records of almost 2.5 years back is something which is very unusual that we are seeing, and as you rightly said, it is seen amongst the various measures that the government is taking on the enforcement, especially to mop up GST collections. Now also, if I read the document clearly, it said that the Central GST Wing has invoked Section 65 of the CGST Act, under which they are asking for reopening of accounts under GST as an audit. And yes, the taxman has summoned the taxpayers in this notice to come in physical presence, in appearance directly with the taxman, with as many as 12 documents, which is a series of documents that they are mentioning in the tax notice, which includes the income tax returns, various GST returns, input service invoices, cash and credit ledgers, which are electronic, also business agreements of purchase and sales, and many more. It seems to be a little of a harassment that side, that what taxpayers are giving back to the field formations where the tax notices are already sent. That's the update that the field formations are getting. But yes, close to 12 odd detailed documents that they have to come in person. And yes, this entire drive, which is pan-India, has to be completed by the taxman in 2 months, that is January and February is what we are hearing from sources. So it's very clear that reopening of accounts for a fresh audit, an audit which is already done for the first year, that is the rollout year of GST. Let's see what is the final outcome of this exercise.